Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I explain you how to create your ChatGPT account. So if you are new in ChatGPT, first you can create a ChatGPT account, and in this video I explain step by step guide how you can create your ChatGPT account. So first you can go to openai.com. You can see link available in the description. So you can go to OpenAI and go to API section. So click now API section and you can go to sign up. So click now sign up and input your email address and continue and set your password and go to your email section and you can verify your email address and create an account. And another option, you can connect with your Google account, your Gmail, and another Microsoft account. You can connect anyone and you can create your OpenAI account. So after you can connect and verify your email address, you can go to dashboard section and you can open this type of dashboard. So you can see all the information and available applications built on OpenAI. So first you can go to chat.openai.com. This is a ChatGPT URL available in the description. So you can go now and you can see this type of dashboard. So you can search anything. For example, first I input hi, hello, how can I help you today? So give me a tweet, and you can create a tweet using ChatGPT. Life is a journey, enjoy the ride and make the most of every moment. So in create tweet on your account. So in this and in my next video I will share you how you can create your to-do app using ChatGPT. And if you have any question and if you need any help, so comment now, and thanks for watching this video.